We dive into the fascinating world of psychology and relationships. We're thrilled to have you here. If you're new to our community, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update on our latest videos. Our channel is dedicated to exploring the complexities of human emotions, behaviors, and the intricate dynamics that shape our relationships. Today, we're going to explore a topic that is sure to pique your interest: the 5 signs that indicate a girl is physically aroused. Understanding female arousal can sometimes feel like a bit of a mystery, but today we're shedding some light on this captivating subject. Physical arousal, often described as being wet, is a natural response to sexual stimulation and interest. It's important to recognize that this response is not just a physical reaction. It's an intricate interplay of biology, psychology, and social factors that can vary from person to person. To begin, let's delve deeper into the concept of physical arousal. When a girl experiences arousal, her body undergoes numerous changes driven by the release of hormones like adrenaline and oxytocin, increased blood flow, and heightened nerve activity. These physiological changes prepare her body for potential intimacy, which is a fundamental aspect of human relationships. Understanding these signs can enhance both communication and intimacy in your relationships, leading to more meaningful and fulfilling connections. Now let's break down the 5 key signs that a girl is experiencing this physical response. 1. Body language, the unspoken signals. First up, let's discuss body language. Body language is a powerful form of communication, often conveying feelings and intentions more effectively than words. When a girl is aroused, her body often communicates subtle hints that may not be immediately apparent. One of the most telling signs is her posture and movements. For instance, she might lean in closer while talking to you, indicating a desire for connection. And in Tim, why this leaning in is a clear signal that she values the conversation and wants to feel your energy and presence more closely. Maintaining prolonged eye contact is another significant indicator. It shows that she is engaged and interested in what you are saying. Eye contact can create a sense of intimacy and trust, making her feel more connected to you. Additionally, you may notice her touching her hair or lips more frequently. These actions can be subconscious ways of drawing attention to herself, creating an allure that invites you to notice her when she plays with her hair. It can indicate nervous excitement or a desire to appear more attractive. Similarly, touching her lips may be a way of signaling her interest in more sensual interactions. Other body language cues to look for include open gestures such as uncrossed arms, which indicate comfort and receptiveness. If she faces you directly, it shows that she is invested in the conversation. You might also observe her mirroring your movements. This can create a sense of rapport and connection. If you lean in and she leans in too, or if she mimics your gestures, it can indicate a strong attraction and comfort level. It's essential to pay attention to these cues, as they can reveal a lot about her feelings. If she leans in to listen closely when you speak, it indicates that she values what you're saying and wants to be near you. Similarly, if she mirrors your body language, such as cross her legs in the same direction or tilting her head as you do, it can be a sign of raw and attraction. Second, flushed skin, the physical manifestation of excitement. Next, let's talk about flushed skin. When a girl is aroused, her body increases blood flow to certain areas, including her face, neck, and chest, which causes her skin to appear flushed or slightly redeemed. This change in skin tone is a natural physiological response and a clear sign that she is feeling excited. You'll likely notice this particularly around her cheeks, neck, and upper chest. The flush of excitement is not only a physical response, but also a visual cue that can enhance her attractiveness. The warmth in her skin can create a beautiful contrast, making her appear more vibrant and alive. This reaction can also be influenced by the context of your interaction, such as the environment, conversation, top topics, or emotional connection, which can amplify her feelings of arousal. Additionally, the context in which you are interacting can influence the degree to which she experiences this flush. For instance, if you are engaging in a playful or flirtatious conversation, she might experience a more intense flush compared to a casual or neutral discussion. This is because the emotional stakes are higher and her body responds accordingly. It's also worth noting that the appearance of flushed skin can vary based on individual differences. Some women may blush more readily than others due to their skin type or sense sensitivity. Understanding these nuances can help you better interpret her reactions and feelings in the moment. Third, changes in breathing, the rhythm of excitement. The third sign involves changes in her breathing when a girl is aroused. Her breathing pattern may change, becoming quicker and shallower. This is due to an increased heart rate and anticipation during moments of attraction. You might notice her taking deeper breaths or her chest rising and falling more rapidly than usual. These subtle changes indicate that she is physically and emotionally engaged in the moment. In addition to physical changes, her breathing can also reflect her emotional state. If she is excited or nervous, her breaths may become more rapid. Conversely, if she feels relaxed and comfortable, her breathing may be slower and deeper. Being attentive to these SE changes can provide insight into her level of comfort and interest, allowing you to adjust your approach accordingly. For example, if you notice her breathing becoming quicker as you share a more intimate or personal story, it may indicate that she's becoming more invested in the conversation. This is a great opportunity to deepen your connection by engaging in topics that foster intimacy and vulnerability. Moreover, it's important to remember that breathing can also be influenced by external factors, such as the environment or the mood of the conversation. If you're in a romantic setting, such as a candlelit dinner, her breathing may naturally become more relaxed in deep, reflecting the ambience. Conversely, in a more casual or playful context, her breathing may be lighter and more animated. Fourth, eye dilation. The window to her desire, or fourth sign, pertains to the eyes. When someone is aroused, their pupils tend to dilate. This is a response to the excitement and attraction action they feel. It's a fascinating biological reaction that can reveal a lot about someone's feelings. If you notice her pupils are larger than usual, it's a good indication that she's experiencing heightened arousal. An interest eye contact is a powerful tool in communication, and dilated pupils can enhance the intensity of that connection. The eyes can convey emotions more effectively than words, and when her pupils are dilated, it may signify that she is fully present and captivated by the moment. This subtle sign can speak volumes about her attraction and desire, making it an essential aspect to observe during your interactions. Moreover, the gaze can vary based on the context. For example, if she is looking at you with soft, inviting eyes, it can create a sense of warmth and intimacy. In contrast, if her gaze shifts or she appears distracted, it could indicate that she is not fully engaged or comfortable. Being attuned to these nuances can help you gauge her level of interest and adjust your approach to enhance connection. Also consider the power of eye contact in building attraction. The duration and intensity of eye contact can create an emotional bond. If she holds your gaze longer than usual, it's likely a sign of her interest. Conversely, if she looks away frequently, it may indicate shyness or uncertainty. Navigating these cues with sensitivity can lead to deeper connections. 5. In touch sensitivity, a heightened responds to contact. Lastly, let's discuss touch sensitivity. When a girl is aroused, her skin becomes more sensitive to touch. You might notice her reacting more intensely to light touches or gentle caresses. This increased sensitivity is due to heightened blood flow and nerve responses in her body. It's her way of experiencing and enjoying physical contact more profoundly. For instance, if you subtly brush your fingers against her arm or shoulder, she may respond with a shiver or lean into your touch. These reactions signify her heightened state of arousal and enjoyment of physical closeness. Understanding this sensitivity can enhance your interactions as it allows you to explore different ways of connecting through touch while being mindful of her boundaries. Furthermore, the context of touch matters significantly. For example, a playful nudge during a fun conversation can create a sense of intimacy, while a gentle caress can communicate affection and desire. Being aware of her reaction to touch can guide you in navigating physical interactions in a way that feels comfortable and exciting for both of you. Additionally, it's essential to understand that touch can carry different meanings based on the relationship dynamics of touch, can convey support, affection, or desire, depending on the context being attuned to. Her responses can help you gauge what type of touch feels appropriate and welcome conclusion, navigating the complexities of attraction. So there you have it, the 5 signs that a girl is physically aroused. Understanding these cues can help you navigate your relationships better and create a more meaningful connection. Remember, consent and communication are key in any interaction. Always ensure that both partners are comfortable and willing to engage in any form of intimacy. To recap, the signs include body language, flushed skin changes in breathing, eye dilation, and increased touch sensitivity. Recognizing these signs can enhance your ability to connect with others on a deeper level and foster a more intimate relationship. In addition to understanding these signs, it's crucial to cultivate an environment where open communication is encouraged. Discussing desires, boundaries, and preferences can help both partners feel more secure and understood. Mutual respect and understanding are vital components of any healthy relationship, and by fostering these qualities, you can create a foundation for lasting intimacy. Furthermore, it's important to remember that every individual is unique. What arouses one person may not have the same effect on another. Therefore, it's essential to approach each relationship with curiosity and an open mind, allowing for exploration and discovery of what works best for both partners. One key aspect of understanding arousal is recognizing the role of context. The same person may respond differently to various situations based on their mood, the setting, and even the topics of conversation. For example, a romantic dinner with soft music may elicit different responses than a casual outing with friends. Being aware of these factors can enhance your ability to read the signs of arousal accurately. Another important element to consider is the impact of emotional connection on physical arousal. Studies have shown that emotional intimacy often enhances physical attraction when two individuals share experiences, thoughts, and feelings. They create a bond that can intensify physical responses. Therefore, fostering emotional closeness can be a powerful way to enhance physical attraction and arousal. Additionally, it's essential to understand that arousal can be influenced by psychological factors, including past experiences, cultural background, and personal preferences. For instance, someone who has had positive experiences with physical affection in the past may be more responsive to touch and intimacy. Conversely, someone with negative experiences may be more reserved or hesitant. Being sensitive to these complexities can help you navigate relationships more effectively. As we wrap up this discussion, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of consent in all interactions. Understanding these as signs of arousal should not be used to pressure or manipulate someone into physical intimacy. Instead, they should serve as tools for enhancing mutual understanding and respect. Always prioritize open dialogue about desires and boundaries. ensuring that both partners feel safe and respected. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insight. It's psychology and relationships. We love hearing from you. So drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Your feedback is invaluable to us, and we aim to create content that resonates with your interests and needs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. We appreciate your support and look forward to exploring more intriguing topics with you in the future. Until next time, take care and stay curious. Yes.